Hi, this is Dan Morrison, and today I'm going to show you using a YEI 3-space sensor for head tracking in ArmA 2. Based on the feedback I got on the last video for doing head tracking UDK, I thought of testing out how to get this thing working in other things, and I quickly got this thing working in ArmA 2, so I'll show you just how I got that working. Alright, this is the wireless sensor, but it's just plugged in for now because it's charging, but it should work the same, doesn't matter. And now, here we go ahead and have it just working in the suite. You can see the visualization of the sensor. And all these sensors come with a HID device, and you can go ahead and customize the joystick. You can change which axes. Right now it only supports 2, but if people get interested in doing this, we'll probably just modify the HID driver to add the 3rd axis and a few more options to get a little bit more into the head tracking, because it wasn't the original intention. And there's also a shake sensor on here, which is kind of cool, and you just kind of program it and there it works. And you go to your composite device and you can actually see this on this joystick properties. So you look down, left and right, and you tap on the sensor and it activates the 3rd button, and you can press in the 1 or 2 button, and you can just program those to do anything. You can set the tolerance on the shake. So alright, now you can see that that all works. Let's go ahead and get this nicely squared up, and let's go ahead and start up ArmA. Alright, now we're started up the game, and let me just go ahead and get something in Sandbox going so you go ahead and see what's happening. Alright, we're loaded. You see, just looking around, up and down, and now I can just move my head freely around. So just kind of peek around. Nah, we're just messing around anyways. Look over here. And it is pretty sweet. I'm not sure how useful it is, but it is kind of cool. Let me go ahead and try this down in vehicle. Let's see. This sounds fun. Plane. Now, look to my left, my right, and fire. Ooh, that's fun. Wow. Yeah, I'm not too used to flying with planes myself, so this is kind of interesting. Whoa. Yeah, head tracking works pretty well. And actually, if you want to see how the settings are on it, it's very easy in this game since it already has it pretty much set up to do this. Since all you have to do is you can just set the analog settings for the tracking, looking left, right, and up and down. So it pretty much out of the box just works. You can just set it right there. And you can just see, just look left, and that's it. Very nice and simple. You can even configure the amount of values just pretty much by changing the controller's sensitivity. And there's more settings also just already in the 3-space sensor HID configuration as well. So it all pretty much works. It's pretty nice. That's about it on this. I would love to see some feedback on this.